Bader Ginsburg. Quotes that will define her legacy. I'm a very strong believer in listening and learning from others. Real change, enduring change, happens one step at a time. Whatever you choose to do, leave tracks. That means don't do it just for yourself. You will want to leave the world a little better for your having lived. Fight for the things that you care about, but do it in a way that will lead others to join you. I would like to be remembered as someone who used whatever talent she had to do her work to the very best of her ability. When contemplated in its extreme, almost any power looks dangerous. You can't have it all at once. If you want to be a true professional, do something outside yourself. It bothers me when people say to make it to the top of the tree you have to give up a family. Women will have achieved true equality when men share with them the responsibility of bringing up the next generation. I always thought that there was nothing an anti-feminist would want more than to have women only in women's organizations, in their own little corner empathizing with each other and not touching a man's world. If you're going to change things, you have to be with the people who hold the levers. Feminism, I think the simplest explanation, and one that captures the idea, is a song that Marlo Thomas sang, free to be you and me, free to be, if you were a girl, doctor, lawyer, Indian chief. Anything you want to be. The enormous difference between fighting gender discrimination as opposed to race discrimination is good people immediately perceive race discrimination as evil and intolerable. But when I talked about sex-based discrimination, I got the response, "What are you talking about? Women are treated ever so much better than men." The decision whether or not to bear a child is central to a woman's life, to her well-being and dignity. It's a decision she must make for herself. My hope is that we will get back to the way it once was, that kind of collegiality, good relations, people who liked and respected each other even though they disagreed on some important questions. You go on to the next challenge and you give it your all. These important issues are not going to go away. Reacting in anger or annoyance will not advance one's ability to persuade.